Hi everyone, this is Rafael Magpile, your property specialist with Mega World at the Fort. So I'm currently here at McKinley Hill Information Center and we have two mock-up units for our newest project in McKinley West, Park McKinley West. So before we start, if curious kayo kung ano yung binubuo namin sa Mega World, I'll be showing you our scale model of our most complete township, which is McKinley Hill. So check natin siya. So the formula of Mega World is live, work, play, and learn, where everything you need is within minutes away, a few steps away. So dito sa McKinley Hill, meron na kayong for live, merong mga condos, residential spaces, meron kayong work, merong offices, meron kayong play, meron kayong leisure spots like Venice Grand Canal Mall, and lastly, meron kayong learn such as Chinese International School, Korean International School, and many more. So yung mga binibuild namin sa Mega World is more than just condos but actually a whole master plan community. So currently meron kaming bagong project sa McKinley West, only a few steps away from here, McKinley Hill Information Center. So our newest project is Park McKinley West. So let me show you the scale model of the whole project. So Park McKinley West is our newest project. It's a 25-story residential tower with 4 towers, A, B, C, and D. So as you can see, the scale model, we have a road here, which is Legrand Avenue, and the other side is Lawton Avenue. So yung unique dito sa Park McKinley West is meron siyang bi-level mall, plus very unique yung ating amenities since meron siyang pool, game room, gym, yoga area, dance area, and many more. So our units or projects sa McKinley West is actually very prestige since all of them offers 2-bedroom units and above. But Park McKinley West, doon kami nagsimula mag-offer ng 1-bedroom units, 2-bedroom units, 3-bedroom units, and we have the last 3-bedroom penthouse available sa Tower D. So Tower C is here sa Legrand Avenue, kung saan magkakaroon siya ng view ng Manila Polo Club, Forbes Park, and Makati Skyline. On the other hand, yung Tower D naman is yung American Greenery, Antipolo Skyline, and McKinley Hill. So, as I said earlier, meron kaming 2 mock-up units dito for Park McKinley West. So let's check the first mock-up unit, which is a 35 square meter, 1-bedroom unit. Tara, check natin. Step inside dito sa ating mock-up unit of a 35 square meter, 1-bedroom unit. So, just a heads up, hindi lahat ng kasama dito is kasama na sa mismong unit, but it's just for the mock-up purposes only. So, pagpasok natin, makikita agad natin yung provision for the washer-dryer. Provision siya, so may space tayo para dyan. And then, kasama na tong mga overhead and underhead cabinets natin. Along with this range hood, yan, and your very own induction cooktop. So, kung napapansin nyo, very sleek yung countertop natin since quartz siya. And yung box type sink natin is, meron siyang retractable faucet. So, meron din tayong provision for your very own ref. Tapos dito naman, sa other side ng kitchen is meron tayong video intercom. So, para sa may video intercom. So, yung video intercom is parang kinoconnect niya yung unit mo dun sa lobby or reception para if ever may guest ka, visitors, makakausap mo siya and makita mo para less hassle. Hindi mo na kailangan bumaba sa lobby just to invite them to your unit. So, as we move forward, meron tayong yung sarili nating common toilet and bath natin. So, check natin siya. So, kasama na dyan yung faucet, toilet, yung bidet, and yung mga rain shower system and glass enclosure natin. All fixtures are included na. So just a heads up ulit, hindi pa kasama tong mga fixtures na to, yung mga toothbrush, hindi pa kasama yan, mga plants and towels, not yet. So, as we move forward, nandito na tayo sa living and dining area. So, ang una siguro mapapansin is meron na dapat kayong sariling inverter split type air conditioning unit. Tapos itong buong space na to is for your living and dining area. So very spacious siya for a 1-bedroom unit na 35 square meter. So it will depend kung anong furniture gagamitin nyo, kung anong fixtures, mga paintings, and kung anong dining set ang gusto nyong ilagay sa inyong unit. Tapos dito naman sa ating bedroom, dapat talaga is meron tong wall and door. But for this mock-up unit, ano lang siya? Just no door siya. Tapos this one is actually a drywall. So most of the clients is parang pinapatanggal siya, ginagawa siyang sliding door instead. So, pasok tayo dito sa first bedroom natin. So, yung first bedroom natin, meron ka ng kasamang air conditioning unit as well. So, two air conditioning units for a one-bedroom unit and your very own huge modular closet na very spacious. Parang pang dalawang tao na rin tong closets natin just for you. So, very spacious yung bedroom na to since kung nakikita nyo, very well lit na tong mock-up unit natin. Very effective and parang nagamit niya talaga yung full space. Tulad nitong bed and yung other fixtures na pwede nyo rin gawin sa sarili nyong unit. So, yung mga units namin sa Park McKinley West all has balconies. So, this one also has a balcony. May access ka sa balcony. So, it depends na kung ano yung view mo. It depends on the availability and kung anong tower yung pipiliin mo. So, either tower C, D. So, it would most likely depend kung ano yung gusto mong unit, ano yung facing mo, amenities, and such like that. So now, let's move forward na dun sa ating bigger unit, which is our 110 square meter two-bedroom unit. Let's check natin. So kung napapansin nyo, very big yung difference ng one-bedroom unit sa two-bedroom unit natin sa Park McKinley West. From 35 square meters, biglang 110 square meters siya. So tara, pasok tayo. So dito talaga yung entrance ng yung unit, hindi dun sa pinasukan natin. So this is your main door. So ito talaga siya. Pero yung door knob natin, hindi talaga siya ganito, but it's actually a smart lock na. So may code siya or your fingerprint for extra safety na rin. So, ang difference naman nito sa one-bedroom unit is open yung kitchen niya. So, it also has a bar-type kitchen. So, sobrang ganda ng view mo once you're washing the dishes, cooking for your family. So, it's a better option if you plan on parang using this for any use or even renting this out. So, yung kitchen naman natin is almost the same with the first bedroom. So, retractable faucet and a large sink. And then, yung difference naman nito is meron ka ng sariling oven, built-in oven na. And then, magiging 4-zone induction cooktop na yung cooktop mo and your very own range hood. So, most likely, very the same lang. And the same time, yung mga closets natin and under cabinets natin, same lang. So, katabi ng kitchen natin is your very own maid's room. So, yung maid's room natin can also be used as a storage room and very spacious siya. And you can also have your very own, may provision din tayo for actually a washer-dryer dyan. So, very spacious siya. It all depends on your imagination kung ano yung gusto mong gawin sa room na to. But, just a heads up, wala talagang air conditioning dyan. So, that's for the mock-up unit only. And your maid's room will actually have its very own toilet and bath. So, very spacious na yung maid's room natin. So, paglabas dyan, meron ka ulit video intercom. Hindi mawawala yan sa ating unit sa Park McKinley West. And then, we will move forward sa napakalaking space natin for the living and dining area with its very own air conditioning unit as well na. So, it will depend as well ulit kung anong dining set, anong living set bibilin nyo, or even the whole interior of this living and dining area. So, ang perks ng ating living and dining area is meron kang access sa balcony. So, yung balcony natin is actually very spacious siya compared sa first bedroom. So, imagine being in that kitchen and then having a scenic view of possible na Forbes Park, Makati Skyline. So, sobrang ganda ng views na pwede mong makuha if you secure your unit today. So, tara, check natin yung first bedroom natin. So, this is the first bedroom, very spacious. And you'll also have your very own air conditioning unit again. Plus, a modular closet na napakalaki na naman. So, ito, pwede nyo itong gayahin for the interior since napakaganda na ng layout neto na ginawa ng Mega World for this mock-up unit. Plus, may sarili ka ulit na access sa balcony. So, ayun yung maganda dito. Halos every room natin dito sa unit mo, you'll have a balcony or have an access to the balcony. So, check natin yung magiging common toilet and bath mo. And kung yung unique dito sa toilet and bath natin is motion censored siya. So, hindi na kayo mag-aalala if may nakalimot magpatay ng ilaw. Since nga, gumalaw lang kayo dito, bubukas na siya. Kung walang tao, it's automated na. So, dito ulit tayo sa may sink. Meron tayong sink again. Then yung magandang quartz na countertop. Meron kang toilet, bidet, and your overhead rain shower system, plus your glass enclosure. So, it's almost as if the same sa first bedroom mo, but it's different sa magiging kasunod na check natin, which is the master bedroom. So, itong master bedroom is super duper spacious. And as sa sinabi ko kanina, meron ka ulit access sa balcony. So, all the rooms has access to the balcony. So, grabe yun. It's very rare to have a unit na lahat ng rooms mo may access sa balcony from the from the living room, first bedroom, and master bedroom. Tapos meron pa palang extra. Di parang extra, but you also have your very own air conditioning unit as well. So all rooms may air conditioning unit. So it's 3 air conditioning units for a 2-bedroom unit. So yung space na to can be modified kung ano yung gusto nyo. So pagdating natin dito, you'll have your very own walk-in closet. So much bigger than the one sa first bedroom. Now, dito naman tayo sa master's toilet and bath. Kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang laki ng space nito for this one. While malaki rin yung space sa magiging shower head mo. Yeah. So perfect siya for couples, ganun. So that's just a glimpse of kung ano yung possible na unit mo sa Park McKinley West. So marami pang units available such as, yung sabi ko kanina, 3-bedroom and a 3-bedroom penthouse. So if you want to know more details, you can just message me through Viber, SMS, or email para we can talk about the details, payment plans, and other available units. Again, this is Rafael Luis Magpile, your property specialist with Mega World at the Fort. Like and subscribe and see you on the next video.